We now have Mr. Dhaval Ajmera, Director Corporate Affairs at Ajmera Group, now joining us. Mr. Ajmera, good morning. Ashesha this side, and thank you for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. And first up, let's talk about the demand trends that we are seeing. How are you seeing demand environment for the Indian residential real estate market, and what are the trends that are emerging, and what will the outlook be for the next 12 to 18 months for India's residential real estate sector?
Overall, the real estate sector has been looking positive. I understand, and we all know that what the world economic situation is, with the kind of war situation which has been so volatile all across over the last 5, 6 months. The real estate market, I would say, in this, over the last 3, 4 months has been performing well. We have seen good number of registrations happening in the Mumbai sector. We have seen some good sales across also happening for some project launches. So overall, yes, there has been a resilient movement and there has been good sales at certain pockets, and I feel this will continue even with the situation which is happening across.
Right. Mr. Ajmera, also, do you expect the strong demand momentum witnessed over the last few years to sustain, or you're seeing signs of normalization now?
So the demand for housing has been very, very good and it is positive. We still feel that overall there is going to be a good demand for housing in the coming time. Whether it will be as buoyant as what it was or been seen over the last few quarters, I believe in some areas, some cities it will be, but not in all. Because overall, I think Mumbai, if I have to personally look at it, the luxury market has been doing well. There will be some resistance coming, in my opinion, in some luxury market, but the mid segment, which is a 5 crore category or a 10 crore category, I think their demand is still continuing to do well. So that will be sustainable in the next 12 months also.
And Mr. Ajmera, which micro market or customer segments do you believe will drive growth in residential real estate sector in FY27?
So the micro markets is not very specific, but if I have to look Mumbai as a city, overall, this category of 2 crores to 5 crore bracket or up till 10 crore bracket has been seeing a good momentum coming when we did some good launches last year towards December or November, December. And, that way also we saw great launches and great momentum coming in that category. So my belief is, at least is specifically for Mumbai, there is no, particular area, but overall, where there has been good infrastructure, good, transport sectors which have already been developed has seen a good movement coming. So that way, I feel, price category of 2 crores to 5 crores has been the most upcoming in the available time.
Also, sir, with the several developers launching new projects, do you foresee any supply-demand imbalance or pricing pressure in the key markets?
So, again, as I said, that overall in the last few quarters, we have seen that whenever any developer has done a launch, there has been good successful launches which has happened. They have seen a good demand coming in. So, my assessment is every launch, if done well, has seen a great demand coming. There has not been too much of pricing pressure. But people are, if the value of the property is been right, I think there has been a good, overall demand coming for, and specifically preference coming in launches for branded developers or developers who have a great record. I think they have done great in terms of launch projects because A, they get a good pricing, B, they get choice of flats, and C, they get some payment terms also. So this, I mean, longer payment terms because of the construction time. So that way it is an advantageous to the buyer, and to the developer is securing the sale. So I think it's a win-win for both, not having too much of pricing pressure, because I don't think any developer who's been established is looking at doing bulk discounting.
Okay, and Mr. Ajmera, the monsoon season this time around has been uneven across several regions of India. Do you expect this to have any kind of impact on housing demand, particularly in the affordable and middle income segments?
Look, if I have to specifically look at MMR where we operate more and Bangalore, I don't see monsoon is having too much of an effect coming in over there. But yes, some places where there has been a major impact of monsoon, probably in tier two cities or affordable homes, there might be some impact coming. But overall, I still feel that, there has been a there is a demand for housing. Affordable housing with the taxes and soaps which are available is not getting too much of traction. But otherwise, in the mid segment and the upper middle segment, overall there has been a great run and which will continue. And I don't think that has any effect of monsoon.
All right, Mr. Ajmera, on that note, thank you so much for joining us.